So this platform is a Ponzi scheme, but since they are new in the market, we need to take advantage of it. My name is Kinsley. Thank you so much for joining me in this video, and I'll be teaching you how to make some cool cash in an hour. At the end of this video, I'll be revealing their contact number, so keep watching this video so you can get access to this platform and also start making money from the platform. So this platform is a marketing platform. You don't need to buy or sell anything. All you have to do is to just confirm an order and you receive your payment. So this is how you go by it. Before that, there are VIP sections from VIP 1 to VIP 6, but as a beginner you need to start from VIP 1 before gradually you get to VIP 6. So this is how everything happened. I actually texted them up and I had to pay an amount of money initially so they can use that amount of money to activate. So this is how all these Ponzi scheme people do. But since these people are new in the market, I think we can take advantage of them and then make our money out of it wisely before this would be over. So initially I had to pay an amount of 50 cedis to these people, of which they promised that I would be able to withdraw 90 cedis and above into my mobile money after I'm done paying that 50 cedis. So I tried it and they actually took me through the process. I got an amount of 12 orders, of which I was able to confirm all these orders. I did a screenshot, sent it to them, and they were able to pay me the 92 cedis within just 30 minutes. Now after VIP 1, you will be required to move to the next stage, which is VIP 2. So VIP 2 is about 120 cedis. And before you pay for the VIP 2, you've already made an amount of 40 cedis on your recent investment. That is, I paid about 50 cedis and I was able to withdraw 92 cedis in 30 minutes. So I earned about 40 cedis on the 50 cedis investment. So before you think about going to VIP 2, you need to actually top up and then make a payment of 120 cedis before you can go to VIP 2. And with VIP 2, you can withdraw an amount of 200 to 300 cedis, which is according to their policy. So there is an escape route plan, but before I take you through the escape route plan, this is the number of the platform. So you can text this number up and then tell the person that you are interested in their online money-making platform. So the person will take you through the process. So now let me take you through the escape or whatever to do to be able to win over these people. So there are certain characteristics of a Ponzi scheme that when you see, you should be able to know how to escape or stop investing into the Ponzi scheme after you've accumulated all your profit. So the first suspective characteristics of this Ponzi scheme is when they give an offer of another increment, which is, as at now, the VIP is only up to VIP 6. So as time goes on, you might be receiving a message that they've extended the VIP to VIP 7, which requires a larger investment. So when you see something like that, you should know that these people, they are about to stop the platform, or they're about to quit the platform. So make sure you accommodate your profits very well and then you stop investing in those platforms. So the second suspected thing to notice on this platform is that they begin to face issues with their payment. So currently they are running smoothly, but a time will come where they will send a general notice to the people on the platform that they are facing challenges with paying you who has invested into this platform. So when you see something like that, quickly make sure that you've accommodated all your profits and then you stop investing from this platform. So after contacting their WhatsApp team and you receive no replies from them, this is the link to the website. Just follow the link to the website as well. This is also their Telegram handle, so you can text them up so they can take you through the process. Make sure you stay wise and you follow everything that I'm telling you in this video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share to other friends who are also interested in making money online, so that anytime I'm having videos like this for you, you will be notified and then you have to watch. Thank you so much for coming here to watch my videos. My name is Kinsley, and catch you up in my next upload.